Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Belvedere Crescent, Kingston. Off the main is a very well kept and excellently constructed house. The house is disposed over 2 floors and is nicely laid out. The ground floor consists of a recently upgraded kitchen, dining room with a spacious sunken living and family room. The guest bedroom and office, along with the helper's quarters and laundry, complete the ground floor. Good use is made of cut stone to accentuate exterior wall. An imposing mahogany staircase is a central feature. The access passage to the upper floor overlooks the central area of the ground floor, and the accommodation includes a master bedroom suite with walk-in closet, shower bathroom, and a small front-facing balcony. The other 2 bedrooms are served by 1 bathroom, a TV room leading to an outdoor terrace. Outdoor is a well-kept yard, a gazebo, single carport, water tank and pump, solar water heater, and a generator with automatic transfer switch. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.